everybody, this is Melinda here at Mindy's Craft Shack. Today we're going to be doing a video on how to strip a cup. There's been many times that I have stripped a cup, and today this is the cup we're going to be stripping. I was trying to do a cup on the Northern Lights, and I just did not like how it was turning out. And this does have glitter on it and epoxy, so I'm going to take all that off. With the method that I do an acetone method. Alright, so if any of you have any questions, feel free to ask. What I'm doing now is just putting on some gloves. You definitely want to wear gloves with the acetone. I actually, with this, I double glove because the first time I used it and only had single gloves on, it ate through the first layer of gloves. So I've been double gloving ever since. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I've got some paper towel here and foil, and you lay out your foil, and then I put the paper towel down over that, and then I just lay down the cup. And I'm just going to adjust this camera so you can see my little setup here on how to do this. There we go. And the acetone that I use is called Clean Strip. I got it at Home Depot is where I got it from. So the first thing you're going to do is just take your paper towel and your cup, and you're just going to wrap it. Just like so. Okay, and then you're going to take your acetone, and I just start pouring it over the paper towel. And it does smell. Now, ideally, you would want to wear like a respirator mask, because those fumes are pretty toxic. And of course I forgot my respirator mask, but it doesn't take very long to do this. And then I just tuck in the paper towel like so. And then I take the foil and tuck that in, and then just start rolling it. Now this just keeps it real nice and tight and confined. And it's just dollar store foil and paper towels. You don't have to get all spendy. And then I take a Ziploc bag. This is a gallon bag. I have used the 2.5 gallon bag for my bigger bottles. And then you seal it. Make sure all the air's out. And Ziploc it. And that's the process of preparing to strip a cup. Now, because you do have to let it set for like 12 hours. I'm not going to keep you on here for 12 hours. So I did prepare one this morning. And it's a bottle that I had, and the epoxy didn't set up quite right. So what I'm going to do is show you the after 12 hours of setting what it does and how well it does work. So I take it out of my bag and then unwrap it. This way you don't have to throw away any cups or anything like that that you may mess up on. And this did have glitter on it, and it did have epoxy on it. And you just see how that just peels away from your cup, bottle, what have you, whatever you're using. Some people take an X-Acto knife and heat it, and then they cut it off. I do not trust myself enough to do that. I'm afraid that I would slice my hand, so I do it this way, and it works out good for me. Some people don't like this method because it does take 12 hours for it to, to come off, but it's safer for me that way. So, and then I just kind of scrub, and this is where it's good to have the double layered gloves on, because you can see how it's kind of melting the glove there. That's why I wear double layers. But I just get as much off of it as I can. I hope you can see that. And it does get kind of messy, but like I said, it works really good. This method, I like this method. And the cup that I just wrapped for you guys, this is exactly how it will come out. And I'll just take the towel that it was wrapped in and take whatever acetone is left on it and clean it up, and you can get it looking pretty much like new. And then after that, you would just take and wash it up, and then it's ready to be reused. And there's the final project after you've stripped it. Not too shabby. And then you can just wrap everything up like so. Reuse your plastic bags. Of course, throw that part away, the foil part. But the bags, the Ziploc bags, you can reuse. I do want to mention that on next Friday, I will have a drawing for a free tumbler. I'm going to take these gloves off real quick. So if you like my page, and you can get this free tumbler. It's a fishing lure tumbler, and it's a giveaway. You can go to my YouTube page and subscribe. Leave a comment, and you will be in the drawing for a free fishing lure tumbler. If you have any questions, feel free, drop a few lines on my page. Go to my YouTube page or channel and subscribe and like. And also leave a comment so you can be entered in the drawing for this wonderful fishing lure cup that I've made. It's 16 ounces, And I'll be giving that away next Friday, and doing I think I'll do a live for that too when I do the drawing for it. I hope everybody has a great day, since there's no questions, and love you all. We'll see you later. Bye.